Hey, what up guys? My name is Amal. In today's video we're going to be creating an onyx carving. First thing we're going to do is we're going to wrap it, we're going to make a base, and then we're going to be doing the sidewalls. So if you like what you see, make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit the like button, which is thumbs up. Alright, this is a onyx mineral that has been carved into a iguana, and it's also made into a wine bottle holder, which looks pretty cool. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap it in the foam, and then we're gonna put it on a pallet and do our bracings and sidewalls. We have the base and the item is wrapped. So next thing is doing 2x3s across and then this way, and then we're gonna do the two side walls. I got my two sidewalls up, also braced it on the bottom so it doesn't move back and forth. So next thing is bracing from the sides. she's been enclosed on 3 sides. Made a little apartment. I gotta add something right here. Add a little foam on the side so there's no movement. So next thing is the side plywood and the top, and she's ready to go. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that.